Hello all my friends. So this is the new version, or you can say modified version of our previous video in the English demanded by the subscribers. Okay, let's start. Open Redon setting, then go to this tab, find your favorite one. My favorite one is this or this or this, or you can say all of this. This is a benchmark software. Okay, let me show you the setting. For the default pages like this, you have to uh, you have to go on this profile graphics Radeon RX 560. So you have just to maintain some option like this, wait for vertical refresh. Default will be on or off, you have to choose. The default setting will be enhance. The default setting will be off. You have to choose enhance sync, and you have to on this setting Radeon anti-lag. This is the main function which can improve your this compatibility. New feature is this performance monitoring. You can in performance monitor by this tool the toggle performance key control plus shift plus L R blah 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 and this on. Let me show you the version. Okay, you have to click on this connect. These I have already told you that these are the beta updates, not stable updates. Click on connect. The page is not yet available, will be available in the next stable update. We go to system. Let me show you the drivers 19.7.1, and the you will see all the settings. Okay, this was the English version of review of new drivers. Let me present my opinion. According to my opinion, if you want to test this out, you can go ahead without any hesitation. These are not yet stable update, but these are perfect for me, or you can also try this. You want how to install the update easily, let me show you. Download the drivers from the official website, or you can use my Google Drive link from the comment section or drop down below. You can see the Adrenalin 19.7.1 July 7. Just double click and wait for installation, and you will ask for restart, and hooray, you are on the new updates. So don't forget to subscribe, because we have only few subscribers, and I have start or continued the channels after 2 year gap. So please help. Thank you.